And welcome to Cuphead. What's up, Cuphead? Face to face the Cuphead. Alright, I've been looking forward to this game. And it's here, finally. It just got released like literally, I don't know, 10 minutes ago. So yeah, let's see what this game has to offer. I already like the flicker lines on screen. And even the vinyl, you know, that sound, I don't know how to describe it, like static, something like that, to simulate the retro. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, that's why I bought the game actually, because the style is amazing, it takes me back. So, audio, visual, let me take audio. Oh, okay. Because usually I check for subtitles, but I don't think there's going to be any subtitles, so I think we're good. Can you hear me okay, Feisty? Is the sound okay? Can you hear me fine? Is the music overpowering me, or is the music too low? I just want to make sure that everything is perfecto. Alright, let's go. Heck yeah, Feisty only stream. Thank you for streaming for me. Shh, shut up now, Feisty. Once upon a time, in a magical place called Inkwell Isle, there were two brothers named Cuphead and Mugman. They lived without a care under the watchful eye of the wise Elder Kettle. Hey Midna, welcome. This is not part of the story. Hey Midna, welcome. I'm just reading. One day, the two boys wandered far from home, and despite the Elder Kettle's many warnings, ended up on the wrong side of the tracks and entered the Devil's Casino. Hey Mary, welcome! From Brazil! Wow, that's fantastic! Nice to see you, nice to have you here. Not so much for a Feisty only. Alright, let's go. Inside, Cuphead and Mugman soon found themselves on a winning streak at the Crab Stable. Crab Stable? Okay. Hot dog! Exclaimed King Dice, the casino's sleazy manager. These fellas can't lose. Nice run, boys! Laughed a comer. The brothers gasped. It was the casino's owner, the devil himself. Now, how about we raise the stakes? He suggested with a toothy grin. Let's enjoy. Win one more roll, and all the loot in my casino is yours. The devil boomed. But if you lose, I'll have your souls. Deal? Cuphead, blinded by easy riches, nodded and grabbed the dice for a throw. Good gosh, Cuphead, no! Cried Mugman, for he understood the danger, but it was too late. Lucky Buddy never has one person on live stream. Well, sometimes I have two. Let's go. Snake eyes, laughed the devil while slamming the floor. You lose. The brothers trembled in fear as he loomed over them. Now, about those souls. The brothers pleaded for their lives. Or pleaded. The brothers pleaded for their lives. That there must be another way to repay you, Mugman stammered. Yes, please, mister, Cuphead added. I'm already enjoying this story. Perhaps there is, the devil snickered, pulling out a parchment. I'll have a list on my runway debtors. Collect their souls for me, and I just might pardon you two mugs. Now get going! The devil roared, kicking the boys out most rudely. You have till midnight tomorrow to collect every one of those souls. Otherwise, I'll be the one collecting yours. Cuphead and Mugman were terribly frightened and ran away as fast as they could. Come on, Mug! Panted Cuphead. We have to find the Elder Kettle. He'll know what to do. I'm enjoying the reading. Let's go. Ah, so cute. Usually I don't like reading. Ah, more reading. What a fine pickle boys you've gotten yourselves into. I know you don't want to be pawns of the devil. I'm not gonna read actually. Let's just enjoy the sound now. Hey Toby, welcome. Should I keep reading? Oh, Midnight, you're too young to remember these type of cartoons we used to watch back in my day. Actually, I'm too young for these cartoons as well. But they are so nostalgic. Oh, that's it? Oh, I'm moving. Oh. What did I just do? So, hold down to quack, to crouch, to duck. Okay. All right. Hold to stay in one place. What's this? Ah, okay. What is this? Okay. I'm not so sure what I need. Okay, there we go. Wow, I need to be exactly on. Wow. Uh-oh. I can't get past the tutorial. Okay, parry slap. Press jump while airborne to nullify or interact with pink object. That's also with your... It's not working though. Oh, okay, okay, that's how it's done. Alright, I got it. There we go. Hold on. Alright, that's how it's done. You watched them as well. Really? A lot of reviewers got stuck here? Seriously? Interesting. Alright, X move. What's this? An upgrade attack requires the super meter card. This card. Let's get out of here. Alright, let's go. I'm so looking forward to this. For those of you that don't know, okay, this game is entirely hand-drawn. Everything you see on screen is drawn by hand. Everything. Except the notifications I'm getting on screen right now from stupid Windows. I hate Windows. Close. Alright. Yeah, everything is drawn by hand and everything by watercolors. I kid you not. There we go. Alright, so this is the overworld. How are you doing Pokemon today? No chance I'll be doing Pokemon today. No. No Pokemon today for sure. Today this... Hello sir, what's up?
Hey fellas, looks like you're on for it now, huh?
Well, I used to be the same way, always getting in trouble. Running, jumping, shooting. But now I prefer just throwing around going to the pictures. But hey, let me give you a hand. Take this. Ooh, nice. Thank you, sir. What's over here? The root pack in Botanic Panic. Okay, let's go. Your voice is echoing, Vloggy. Really? Oh, maybe because of the microphone? Okay, this is easy actually. Ooh, he's getting faster! Oh. Whoa, I died already? That's it? Wow. Hey Ivan, welcome. So I'm echoing because I'm in a room basically. But you can hear me okay, right?
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
I love this game. Wah! I love that the onion cries. I love that the onion cries. Usually the onions make us cry. Oh! Ooh, man, it's not easy. I died to a veggie. Hey, Min, welcome. This is how far I got, apparently. Look at that. I am mean. I'm lean, mean, and full of beta carotene. I like that. Let's try again. That's fine. I deal with the potato. Oh no! I was pressing the wrong button. Never! Whew. Wow. I love the way it makes. Wah! Wah! I love it. Ivan wants to see the bananas. No! 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 This guy is a psychic. A psychic carrot. He got the psychic powers. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. With the laser. Come on with the laser. Knockout! Yeah, baby. Nice. Okay. Whew. Did I get an achievement? I didn't notice. Rice. I was tempted to touch the HP, but the pink tears, but I was afraid. Brand new record. It's because I'm playing it for the first time. Duh. Yeah, baby. Oh, okay. So the root pack, Devil's Office, Seal. I got the first contract. You got the root pack, Soul Contract. Such an awesome game. So what's in the shop? Enter. Long range with below average damage. No aiming required. No, I don't want that. Extra hit point. Adds an additional hit point but lightly weakens your attack power. I don't want that. Short range with great damage if you can keep close to your target. Oh, I like that. Short range? But it's short range. Smoke bomb. Invisible dash. Will not take damage during a dash. A graze defense. Interesting. Roundabout. Great coverage with average damage. Aim backward for maximum range. I'm not gonna buy anything for now, actually. I'm not gonna buy anything. Come back anytime. Not gonna buy anything for now. It's a pig on the bar. I know, right? What is this? This tree? Okay, it's time for a tree.
This match will get red hot.
Ready! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oopsie. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, come on, man, that was cheap. Ah, man. With a face like mine, it is a crime to be bouncing all the time.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Ouch. What's she gonna do? Oh, you got bigger. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Alright. If you don't eat vegetables, they're gonna... Oh, man. You better eat your vegetables, guys. And this is not a vegetable now. This is like a bubble gum, I think. Ouch. He's eating bubblegum, look. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, I did. Hey, Mr. Executor, welcome. Each time you do a little better. Each time you do a little better because you learn how it's done, basically. I'm enjoying this game. Oh, come on, man. Oh, I got 2 hits. I'm gonna restart. Might as well, because I got 2 hits already. Oh, come on, man! Oh! No. You were allowed to watch me at school. As long as you don't get in trouble. Oh, come on! I keep messing up this part. Oh, no, 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 no. I love how it loads real fast, huh? No problem, Mary. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Ooh. I never swear. I never swear. I swear I never swear. Get it? Oh, come on, man! Oh, come on, man. Does the rest of the world have that show called... I don't know. Hey, Clumsy Gamer, welcome. Go to the shop to buy new powers. Do you think I should? Nah, I can do this. Oh, come on! Ooh, that was close. No, that was cheap. Nice try, game. Nice try, game. Makes me think you died. Ooh, rip, man. Sean Slaughter, hello, welcome. Long time no see. How are you, my friend? Nice to see you. Ah, man. Korean drama. Oh, man. No. Alright, we're getting close though. Can you see the meter how far I got? That's how far I made it.
A brawl is surely brewing.
But the problem is, I'm afraid if I go for the short range weapon, I won't be able to go back to the way I wanted. If I can pull this off. Ah! Oh. Ooh, alright, I'm gonna give it one last try. If I don't make it next time, I'm gonna go for the short range weapon like you guys suggested. We'll see. We're in this together, guys. I love how he pulls his pants up before he fights. The music is fantastic. I didn't get hit once for now. Ah, I jinxed it. Oh. Oh, that was very close. That was very, very close. Oh, that was very close. No, it wasn't very close. I felt it was close. Let me try one more time. Man, this game is addicting. Ah! Oh, that's cheap. Did I just discover a secret spot where you don't get hit? Nope. So close. Well, not close. All right, let me try. Let me go back to the map. I'm gonna go what you guys suggested, the short range, because I think it's worth it. The short range right now. I hope I can go back though. Take your time, man. No problem. Goodbye. Come back anytime. Alright, let's go. You got points to equip those new purchases. If you want to use them, look at your equip card, you bums. Equip menu. Oh, is it this? Is it this what I just got? Pea shooter. Oh, cool. Alright, this is it. Alright, nice. Hey, Karen, hello. Welcome. I'm about to fight the boss again. Let's go again. Ruse or the news. This time it's gonna get nasty, alright? Ah! Oh. Ooh, all right. No problem, no problem. I have a feeling we're getting better now with this weapon. I don't know.
A brawl is surely brutal.
Oh. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it? It is actually based on the cartoons from the 1930s, so you're very, very close when you said that. Oh, come on, man. Okay, okay. That was my bad. That was really my bad. I was trying to be cocky.
Good day for
Come on, I already got damaged. Come on, I already got damaged. Doesn't even count. Is the game created? It is based on the 1930s cartoons, though. So you're very close. Oh! Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, man. Alright, Midna, no problem. Thank you so much for dropping by. Take care. Try again. I'm really enjoying this, even though it's frustrating, but... I don't like the short range though, huh? That's very close. Ah, oh, come on, man. Rip. Come on, man. Alright. So close, look at that. That was close. Look at that. That was close. Let's try again.
A brawl is surely brutal. Now go.
Oh no, that doesn't look good. Oh no 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 no.
This match will get red hot. You're up.
We're gonna do this, you know. Oh, I got too close. Oh, one last hit and we're done. GG. That's okay, no problem. I wonder if it was better with the other gun. I don't know. Oh no.
This match will get red hot. You're up.
Oh, really, man? That was so close.
Here's a real high-class battle.
All right, if it keeps, if I can't do it with this, I'll switch back the gun again. So I'll try. I'll try. Oh, come on! That was nasty. Oh, man. Alright. Alright. One last try and then I'll switch back to the old weapon again. No, I'm gonna switch back to the old weapon. Can I switch to the weapon? I don't think I can. Let's give it one more try anyway, then. Ah. Oh, man! I can never do this. Alright, no problem. Turned off the sound in the game. Why? No, I won't switch off the music. The music is fantastic. No, as if. Ooh, that's cheap. Nope.
This match will get red hot. It's
Ah! Oh, that's cheap. Boom. GG. Was close, huh? To turning into the... Was getting close.
Will get red hot. Now go.
Oh, alright. I discovered a new move. Oh, noops. Oh, I pressed the wrong button and I went right straight for his face. That was epic. It's Cuphead V4. It's Cuphead. How are you? I think I just discovered a new tactic. Oh, come on, really? This is good. This is good for me. Ouch! Rip. I love the rip. I love the rip. I cannot dodge it! Womp, womp, womp. Oh, I'm getting close, man. Let's try again.
Good day for us. Well done. Here goes.
Ah. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. I cannot do this. Oh, so close! That is incredible! Look at that! Look at that! I'm very smashing, even in grave situations. I see what you did there. Nice. That was so close. Alright, try again.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
But I'm getting the hang of it now. Wow, I'm still at 3 health. I still haven't got hit once. I still haven't got hit once. I did it! Wow! 3 health. This time I didn't even get hit once. Oh, once. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. So close. So close.
Here's a real high-class bout. You're up.
Nice. Boom. Ding ding! Ding ding dong. No! Alright, GG. Try again.
Good day for us. Well done.
Man, it's been a while since I had to repeat the level so many times. Seriously, dude! Alright, no.
A brawl.
I'm gonna switch weapon after this, yes. Ah, you son of a biscuit. Ah, blue balls! GG. Alright, no problem. I said I don't swear in my streams. Alright, so that wasn't a swear, and don't tell me how to talk. Thank you. Ah, no.
Good day for us. Well done. Now go.
Ah, no. I was supposed to switch weapons, but I forgot.
Well done. And begin.
That was cheap, huh? He changed directions. Here we go. That's phase 2. Alright. Because I don't. I make... Oh, man. So close. No. I'm gonna try something else. Let's go back to this weapon now. Maybe it's better this way. Oh, come on, really?
Here's a real high-class bout. Now go.
Oh, come on. Oh, wow, man. The thing is, I need to keep close to him.
Red hot. And begin.
Oh, that's cheap. Haha, nice. Alright, I got 2 more hits. One, 2, 3, go! Ooh, okay, no problem. Knockout, you son of a biscuit! I did it, wow. Man, that was intense. That was intense. Skill level 2 star. But that was good. The cartoon is over. That's all, folks. A true rip. Lel. New weapon? No, I don't think so. Goopy Legrand. Devil's Office, seal. We got the contract. What is this? Run and gun. Forest Frolies. Let's take a look.
It's on.
Oh wow. What did I just get hit by? I have no idea what just happened. At least I got it. They just keep respawning? How do I make this jump? Oh yeah, that's right. No! So close. I was getting close. Alright, let's go. Here goes. Oh, come on! Oh, no, 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 this is cheap. This is a cheap way to die. No! Okay, no problem. Hey, Levy! I just saw you come in. Nice to see you. I like to appreciate the art style that went into making this game. Oh, that was stupid of me. Ah, the same mistake. Oh, I'm not gonna take this. I don't know how to take. I wanted it. I wanted it! Nowhere to run, nowhere to go. This forest is your foe.
Here goes.
Let's try again. That was close. I don't know how to do this. I just saw sacrifice a life. Ugh! I still didn't get it! What? Alright, I got it now. I sacrificed 2 lives. Oh, come on! That's so cheap! I need to get... I think I need to gain all of those. I need to get all the... I think. Otherwise it doesn't count that I finished the level, I think. I love these type of games. I'm gonna go ahead. There we go, I got it. That's it, that's all I care about. What the hell? How did I get hit twice? Come on, dude, die! No! Ache! I like that. No! It's like Metal Slug, exactly. That's why I love side scroller shooters. It kind of reminds me like of Metal Slug, exactly. Heavy machine gun. Look at that, that was so close.
You're up.
You're up. Oh, that's cheap. At least I got it. No! It's not a 50s themed actually, it's a 30s theme. It's from the 30s cartoons. Come on, cartoons in the 30s look awesome. It's not even that hard of a game, really. It's just... I think I die every single time. It's because of... I'm stupid. Because of my stupidity. And being cocky. And not careful! I need to do this. Run, buddy, run! No, that was so cheap. I didn't see it falling from the... Alright. That's okay. Each time you get a little better. Each time you get a little better. Oh, man. I wanted to... come on, man. I love how fast the game loads, though. Well, the game is only like 2 GB. So it's not like... Did they have 60 frames per second in the 30s? Come on. He's gonna come back, the guy. No, 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 no! I still got hit by the other guy. Oh, I still didn't get it! I still didn't get it! Ah! Wow. I'm gonna stick to this gun, because this gun is powerful. It reminds me of Contra as well. Ah, nice try, sucker. Oh, come on, the stupid plant over here. I don't know how to do this. Except for that. It's the only way I know. No! That is so cheap. Yeah, it's the parry jump. That's right. You're right. Executor this. Wait. Hold on. How do I do this? How do you do it, though? Oh, I thought I was gonna move up. There we go, that's how it's done, okay. Ah, that was so cheap. No, start over, I don't care.
It's on.
I see myself playing this game over and over, huh? I'm gonna love this. I mean... like, even after I finish this. This is it! Oh! That's how it's done. Executor was right. Oh, twice. I got really crowded. I am! Hello! Hey, Cheers here! Wait, what is this? It's the game I've been talking about all week. Oh man, I love it! Yes, there's a lot of mushrooms in this game, huh? There's a lot of you. I kid you not. There it is. Ah! Timothy is here. Hello, Timothy. Welcome. Man, the art is amazing of this game. There we go. What? This doesn't work. I don't care. I'm gonna destroy these first. No, no, no. Everybody's in a rush here, apparently. Acorn Maker. I like that. No! Every single time. Oh, that was so stupid of me. That was so close. Ah, look how close I was. Womp 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 womp. Try again.
Now go!
It's funny you said that, Timothy. I don't know if you were here before, but I actually battled a boss that was the actual stone that says RIP. Come on, we can do this. There we go. So far, no damage. So far, no damage. Let's keep this up. No! I was gonna do the same mistake again. I never made it this far so far, so...
Bravo!
Bravo! He did it! Whew, wow. How cool is that? I'm dancing to this game. Here we go. Oh man, my neck. Let me just get the microphone closer to my face. There we go. I've opened so many areas now. How many coins do I have? 5 coins. I want stuff that improves my my gun. Stuff that improves my gun. Stuff that makes my gun better. Welcome. So, Chaos Aura, long range with below average damage. I don't like that. Extra hit point adds an addition, but lightly weakens your attack power. I don't want that. Great coverage with average damage. Great coverage, average damage. Aim backwards for maximum range. Medium range with good damage with a slower rate of fire. Not so sure how I feel about that. Well, this is all there is. I mean, medium range with good damage with a slow rate of fire. I like this. You will not take damage during the dash. Great defense maneuver. I'm gonna take this. Daddy has bacon. Alright, let's go. Standardized weapon, long range with average damage. Shot B. Wait a minute. There's 2 types of shots. I don't get it. But we'll see. Let's go. Wanna go fight the coin? Hey, Mr. Coin. I'll be a monkey's uncle if I'm not putting my moolah in the bank. For all I know, the devils probably controls the place too. They'll never get a hold of my gold, even if I spread it all around. And if some Joe happens to find a coin or two, good for him. That's what I say, Harump. Alright. We're not gonna fight the coin then, I guess. Alright. The pig is a smoker. Yeah, I know, right? Uh-oh.
Here goes.
Whoa! What the heck? Come on, what? I love the sound they're making when they pop. Uh-oh. Ah, dude. Hey, where's Dodo? There's Dodo. Hello, Dodo. I cannot see clearly, but I think you changed your picture. It's no longer an eye.
A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Oh, no. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna try something else. Hold on.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Okay. I don't want to switch this weapon, though. No. How do you change weapons? Okay. Let's go back. I don't want this.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
So I'm concentrating on the game right now. I'm not looking at chat, so I apologize. Alright. What's going on? Oh, okay, I got me. Man, this is intense. What's going on? No, what's going on? Alright, no problem, Dada. Thank you so much for stopping by. You went for broken, now you're croaked. Wow, man. Did just one frog swallow the other and they turned into a slot machine? What's going on in this game?
Good day for us. Well done. You're up.
Ah, too soon. I love how you turn into a fan. So random. Oh, that was close. That was close. I mean, I was too close to him. That's what I mean. Here it comes. No! Oops! Oops! I touched it. Can't touch this, man. Can't touch this. It is insane. I have no idea what I need to do now. Let's try again.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Oh, it was so close. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh. I don't even know I'm supposed to damage this. I'm supposed to do this! How am I supposed to do this? I have no idea! I have no idea!
A great slam and then some. It's on.
Ah! Oh, come on, man. Oh, that was cheap. I don't know, I switched. I thought it would be better if I had that kind of weapon. I can switch the weapon again.
A brawl is surely
But this is more powerful.
You're up.
No, I'm gonna stick with this because it's easier. Oh, come on, man. You see, it's hard to aim with these. No, 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 restart. I'm gonna try.
You're up.
Alright. No, I don't accept that.
This match will get red hot. And begin.
Oh, I didn't jump. This is what I'm doing now, I'm switching. I think I might as well switch to this, because I'm gonna be close to him anyway. Or maybe... I think it was better. Alright. What do I do? Alright. Whoa! What do I do? No! Not the coins! No! No, 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 no. Alright, so it's parry jump. You know, I've never heard the term parry jump. I don't know if... Hey, Slim Gamer Man, welcome. Alright, well, I mean, I'm improving, and I know how to switch weapons now during the game.
Is surely brewing. And begin.
Oh! That was too soon. Ah, no. As if.
A great slam and
Okay.
here goes.
That's how it's done. That's how I need to keep it up. Here we go, 1, 2. No! No, he didn't jump! Oh, here it comes, here it comes. I need to be careful of the coins. What? What's going on now? No! No! It wasn't like that before! What? It wasn't like that before? No. Oh man. I'll keep trying, don't worry. The bouncing balls and the rings, it was hard there, huh? We can do this again.
Brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
Oh! I wish there was like a boss health bar or something. Here we go, here we go. No! Whew! What's going on? Alright, this is okay. I can do this. I can do this. Okay, so it depends what... No! Uh-oh, what's this? What the heck am I supposed to do? No! 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 That's impossible. And I didn't even deal any damage to the machine for some reason. I don't know. Let's try again. That's okay. I'm really enjoying this, so I don't care. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I forgot to dash. Nice. Oh, here it comes. 1, 2. What are these? No! Oh my goodness! That is impossible! Oh my god, I have no idea how I'm doing this! Oh my goodness! Ah, here we go again, the same thing. Ah! Please, why you keep doing this? Oh my goodness! Wow, man! That's crazy! Alright, no problem.
This match will get red hot. You're up.
Uh-oh, here it comes. So far, so good, no damage. Oh, that's cheap. What comes? Alright, these are easy. Ah, that's how you damage him. While he's open, like this. He's open for firelight now. Okay, that's how it's done. That's how it's done. How am I supposed to do this, though? Come on. No! Okay, now I discovered something else. That's why now I discovered something else. But yes, I'm switching between 24-hour stream. I better not. I have plans this evening. Maybe I'll cancel. I don't know. Should I? Alright, we're getting close. Now I know what needs to be done. So whenever they're shooting the things at me that I have to jump over and stuff, I need to keep shooting the vending machine. It's not a vending machine. It's a jackpot slot or whatever it's called. Slot machine. That's why I switch between. You see now I switch and then I switch again. Because this is great for these. And then I switch again while I'm afar. Then I switch again. Uh-oh. 1, 2. Whee! I'm gonna trash this guy as much as I can before they get started. And there we go. And then I switch to this again. Because with this I can hit both of them. Oh, he still hit me. That's cheap. Here he comes. Alright, this is it. This is it. I think this is it. That's one. So it depends what comes. Alright, so it's the bouncy balls. Oh, it's so hard. The bouncy balls are the hardest. I cannot do the bouncy balls. The bouncy balls. Alright, the bouncy balls are hard.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on.
That was close. Here it comes. 1, 2. Oh man, wrong game. Wrong game. Alright, so here it is. That's one. And it depends. It depends what I get. And I'm gonna get the regular ones. Just need to make sure that I don't get hit by the spikes on the side. Like that. You see? And now I have to do it again. Please, please don't give me the ones with the balls. And the regular ones again. Good. Oh! I'm getting close though. I'm getting close. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this.
This match will get red hot. It's on.
Hey, it's Sakura! Sakura! Help me, please! Here comes, here comes. 1, 2. 1, 2. No damage so far. No damage so far. We're gonna do this. Give me some of your energy! How does it go? Give me some of your energy! There we go, that's one. What are we gonna get? Oh no! The fire ones. The fire ones are fine. Oh, the bouncy ones, no! Ah! I cannot do these! Ah, they're so hard. Oh man, that's impossible. Oh man. The ones with the bouncy balls I cannot do. The one with the bouncy balls is impossible. Okay. There's 3 combinations. There's 3 kinds of... There's 3 combinations that I can get in the slot machine. Oh, why didn't I duck? That's not good. Here we go. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at chat. I'm trying to focus on this thing right now. When the fan stops, I'm gonna switch to the other weapon. Alright, here we go. We're done. And now he's a slot machine. Alright, here we go. Please, please, please don't give me the ones with the... Alright, this is fine. This is the regular ones. Come on, I can do this. Try again. Please, not the ones with the bouncy. No, regular ones again. We're good. Oh, god dang it, I was so close. I was so close. Look at that. Look at that. No way. Wow. Wow. At what point are you asking me when I moved back? Yeah, that was very close. That was very close. That was very close. That's okay. That's okay. I'm really enjoying this. I don't mind replaying this over and over. Here we go. Right now I'm being blown by the fan. I don't know if that's what you were asking me for earlier. Why was I moving back? The fan is blowing me away. That's my biggest fan! See what I did there? We're done, we're done, we're done, we're done. We got this. Here we go. Here we go, we got this. Hey, Carl Faruja, welcome to the stream, my friend. What are we gonna get? Please, 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 please. No! These are okay, actually. These are fine. These I can do. Well, sometimes. What are we gonna get? No, no, not the balls! That's it, I'm doomed. That's it, I cannot do the balls. Balls are hard. I cannot do the one with the balls. Oh, man. Ah, mate. Ah, my back. Not the balls. I cannot do the one with the balls. I can do the one with the flames. I can do the regular ones, but the ones with the balls are... balls. Let's try again.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
What special attack? Do I have a special attack? I don't even know. Really? How do you know that? How do you know this sorcery? I do have 5 cards, but I don't know how to do it. The special attack. All right, if I don't do it now, I'll check how to do it. I almost made a big boo-boo, huh? Alright, here we go, here we go. No damage so far, no damage. No damage so far, no damage. Alright, so far I can do this, I can do this. Please, please, not the balls. So far, so good. It's these again. We're good. Okay, okay, no problem. 1 damage. 2 damage. 2 damage. Knockout! You son of a biscuit. I did it. Alright, don't jinx it, vlog. We did it. Yeah, baby. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. I'm not fit to fight. You are too hip. I'm the best. I'm the best. Ribby and Croaks. Ribby and Croak. I got their contract. So now I can go here. Ah, okay, it's just a shortcut then. How do I get here then? Looks like I cannot get... Oh, yes, I can. Hello, Miss Fishy. Fishing. How weird is that? Begone, spirits! Oh, wait. You're real. I was about to hit you with that old parry move. That's how you deal with ghosts around here. Only a nitwit tries shooting someone who ain't really there. Speaking of not being places, would you fellas mind moving on? You're spooking the fish. I don't know where this is gonna take me, but let's go. Mausoleum. Okay, I don't like that. Sounds like Mausoleum 1, actually, this mouse... I don't know. I think it's about mice.
A great slam and then some. You're up.
You died. What did I do? How did I die?
Well done. And begin.
What if I don't touch them? What's going on?
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go.
Wow, Executor knows everything. Alright, let's try. You're right, I'm not dying now. Okay, okay, okay. What the heck? Come on! I was really close, kind of. To me, the urn saying help me doesn't say much. I'm sorry.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
Is it GG? Did I do it yet? Come on. Obviously, there's gonna be more than one at the same time, and it's gonna trash me. Come on, come on. Come on, man. How much more? These guys are faster. Come on. Victory! Gosh, I don't know how to thank you boys for saving me. Where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. I am known as the legendary Chalice. Pleased to meet you. I was searching for magic and got trapped by these ghosts. Speaking of magic... What the heck is he doing? Speaking of magic, please accept this gift. It should help. There are other mausoleums around in Quill Isle. I just wonder. I think so. I'm starting to think that, Executor, yes. You unlocked a new super. Dear me, you mustn't forget that magical super arts have to be equipped. You mustn't forget that magical super arts have to be equipped in the menu before use. Okay. A devastating attack spills from your head. Horizontal only. Ground or air. Okay. How do you do it though? Ah, we shall see. We'll discover as it goes along. That's the special attack, I guess. Yeah. Can I go up there? No. Maybe I can go up from here? No. No, it's locked here. Okay. Aha! Are we ready for another side-scrolling madness? Treetop Trouble. Run and gun. Let's go.
And begin.
Already got damaged. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna bother with these guys anymore. It's Woody Woodpecker! Okay, well, hang on. Come on, I'm gonna get another pink one to parry on. Ah, man. Suicide. I used to do a very good Woody Woodpecker impression, but I'm not gonna try it now. I cannot do it now. I cannot do it now. Seriously? Oh, come on, I didn't get it? Oh, no, I want to start over. I want it. And that's the first one.
Now go.
Oh, I cannot do it. I used to do it. But I'm not focusing right now anyway. I'll try to do it. Maybe later. Oh, dude!
And begin.
That's how it's done. Oh, dude, really? I got it. Oh, dude, man. Ah, man. This is not easy, yeah?
And begin.
Oh, man, really? Oh, that's it. I'm not gonna try again. Yes, I am.
Now go.
Amazing. There we go. Oh my goodness! What if the orange ones let you parry them? No, they don't. No, it's just the pink ones. It says so in the it says so in the tutorial in the beginning. I remember. If it's pink, you can parry on it. Hey, Escape Route! Welcome. I think I've been on your streams. Yeah, I've definitely been on your streams. I think. Have you played Pokemon? I'm sure you have. I'm sure I've been on your streams. Damn it! Okay, that's it.
You're up.
My goodness, it's impossible! They keep coming! Ah, it didn't work. No, I actually got damaged as well. Man. No, it must have been something else then. I don't think I've been on Momon streams. I mean, I know what they are, but I don't think I've ever.
Now go.
But I've watched you stream for sure. I can't remember what game it was. It was a while ago. Man, so much chaos. I cannot accept the fact that I get hit. No. I'm a sore loser. I can do this. No, I can't. My goodness, I can never do this.
And begin.
Everybody every now and then needs a little inflation, since you use that expression. So, no.
And begin.
Even the most positive of persons sometimes need an inflation! Oh my goodness.
Here goes.
This game, man. Just gonna keep walking. Keep walking. Come on, I can do this. Yes! Finally! But this is... No! Thank you so much for subscribing! Look at that notification. Just the H on it on its own. Thank you for subscribing, I appreciate that. Man, this is not good. Oh, I just noticed something over there. No, 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 no! Really? That's cheap. Ah, whatever, man. Okay, I just learned something about these guys. I didn't know that. Okay.
Here
Oh,
goes.
I almost missed that coin though, eh? No, no.
You're up.
What am I doing wrong? Why do I keep missing that jump? There we go. Just keep running, and shoot! Wait here, and keep going. No! That was... Oh man, this is hard! This is hard!
Now go!
Now go! There we go. I'm trying to figure out the special attack, how it's done. I don't know. Oh, okay. Doesn't work like this. Man. Nice. Wait a second. I don't like this. What the? I'm gonna miss that. Alright. Alright, I got it. Whew. No! Man. Wow. One last health. Do I die if I hit these guys? No, I don't think so. Alright. Are you kidding me? No! Oh man, this is impossible! Did I just defeat the boss and I... No. No. I made it so far and there's a boss at the end. Man.
You're up.
Ah! No.
You're up.
What the? I thought you fell in the hole.
Here goes.
You're freaking kidding me right now. Come on, man.
You're up. It's on.
It's on! Oh, I'm just gonna keep moving, I don't care. I hate these bees. Ah! No! That was cheap. Wow, that was almost another cheap. Come on!
And begin. Here goes.
What the heck? Didn't he fall through the hole?
Here goes.
Ah! No, I refuse.
You're up.
It is a difficult level, yes. And the thing is, after almost making it, there was a boss at the end. Alright, I got it. Keep running, keep running, keep running! Ignore everything! Ignore all things! There we go. I'm gonna switch weapon because this has a long range. No! Son of a biscuit! These bees are annoying. My goodness, took forever. These freaking bees! I don't wanna die. This is it. This is the hard part. No! What the heck, man? That is so hard. Ah. My neck, hold on, I need to stretch my neck. Stretch my neck. Crack my neck. It's hurting. Hold on. I'm gonna play standing for a little bit.
Now go!
Nope.
And begin! Here goes!
Man, some of these deaths are so cheap.
You're up!
No.
You're up!
The heck?
You're up.
Eee! Yeah, come on, that was cheap! I deserve that. I deserve that.
You're up.
That's cheap. Nope.
Here goes.
The bees are getting on my nerves. Why? Sometimes I dodge them and sometimes I don't. You see, sometimes I
Now go.
pop them before they hit me. You see? Oh, what?
Here goes. Now go.
Wow. It's amazing.
Here goes.
Damn it.
You're up.
Wow, it's like sometimes I cannot do that jump. The heck? Why can't I pull off the parry jump? Oh, whatever. No, that I don't accept.
Now go.
Well.
It's on. Here goes.
This is the annoying part! I told you. Ah, 2 hits already. No.
Here goes.
The heck?
You're up.
Wow.
It's on.
Why can't I pull this off, the freaking parry jump?
Now.
Why? And sometimes I pull it off, and I still get damaged. Look. Oh, I missed it. Never mind.
It's on.
Why can't I pull it off? Am I not doing it right?
And begin.
There's no way I'm gonna make it if I don't get to the boss at least with 3 health. There we go! Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Oh, my bad. That I don't accept.
Now go.
If it's my bad, it's fine, but if it's a cheap... well... Oh. Oh man, that's so cheap.
Now go. And begin.
I'm so tired of this music. Okay, no problem, Toby. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. At least I pulled it off, but I still didn't get what I wanted. Why?
Here goes.
Oh yeah, I was looking at chat, lovely.
You're up. Now go.
I forgot. Ah! I hate these bees. Yee, that bee! It's all because of that bee. Oh man. Oh, it's incredible, man, how hard it is.
It's on.
I'm enjoying a good hard game.
You're up. Eee, how cheap. I'm done for. I'm not gonna make it. Frickin' bees! I'm not gonna do this. I can't afford to fall off just once. Oh man, come on. Come on. It's impossible. What are you looking at, my chip? Ha! What are you looking at, my chip? Ha! It's not my fault. I've been busy fighting off those casino debtors. Now I gotta save up to get my blade fixed. Hey, King Tim! Hello! So help me, I wish someone would bust that king dice once. What? Let's see what this does. This match will get red hot. Here goes. What's he gonna do? Okay. I love he's dancing. Okay, you can't fight these off. What? Alright, alright, alright. There's a pattern. Obviously, there's always a pattern. Okay.
A brawl is surely brewing. Now go!
What the heck? No, man, so much stuff! Oh, man, that's so hard! Alright, so this is as far as I made it. I can do this. I'm getting the pattern now.
Well done. It's on.
Oh, come on! I'm done for already. Might as well.
Good day for us. Well done.
You know what I'm gonna
It's
do?
on.
Try to keep my distance. I'm not even hitting him. Okay.
Here's a real high-class belt. Here goes.
Wow.
Good day for us. Well done. And begin. A great slam and then some. Here goes.
Man, so many projectiles.
A great slam and then some. It's on. A great slam and then some. You're up.
There's no way to dodge that. There is no way to dodge that. Two of them. Did it freeze? It looks like it glitched. No. What the heck? Okay, getting better. I'm getting better at this. Hey, Philly! Oh my, what the heck is this? This is a game. This is a video game. This is an old video game. It came out in 1930. No, it just came out today, but it's based on 1930 cartoons. It's a side-scroller, like Metal Slug, basically.
Here goes.
Like Metal Slug, Contra. I just need to be careful of the projectiles. Lots and lots of projectiles. No! I was looking away! Ah! For what's this? No, this is only Xbox One. And Xbox One and Windows. I always get hit by that thing. Wow. No. No, I don't think it's hard. No, I don't think it's hard. I just need to get the pattern. That's it.
You're up.
I just need to get the pattern. There's a lot of projectiles. That's the problem here. I just need to... There we go. There we go. We got this. No! Ah, always. What the heck did just hit me? Ah, the frickin' roots. I forgot about the roots. Final. Funny, very funny. I'm laughing.
It's on.
V4 tries hard to be funny. I'm getting far, but it's just that I need... There's a ton of things happen at the same time. There you go, in your face. No! Ah, the guy up there, I forgot. Oh, wow! I need to keep my eye on everything. Let me tell you exactly the things that I need to keep my eye on. She's gonna shoot things in the air. And these things are gonna go into individual threats. And if I don't kill them, and that guy up there, the one up there, alright, needs to open before you can actually shoot it. Now, there's the boomerang, there's that attack. There's these. There we go. At least I dodged the... come on, this way. No! My goodness! Again, these guys. Man, it's so hard! No! The root! The root! The root! The root is on fire! Ah! The weed whack. Get the weed whacker. Oh man.
This match will get red hot. Now,
I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try a different strategy now. No! No! Alright, so far so good. These things grow into their individual. That thing, you cannot kill it until it opens. There we go. Oopsie, there we go. Haha, sucker! Whoa. So far so good, no damage. Ah, nice. Ah, so many projectiles. No, the freaking roots! Every single time! That's okay. That's okay. The floor's like, come at me, bro. It's true. Alright. Alright.
Here goes.
I keep forgetting about the root attack. I need to get rid of these. Oh man, this attack! No, I refuse.
A great slam and then some. It's on.
I need to get rid of these. And this guy up here. Alright. No! Haha, sucker! No, not these guys. No, I cannot dodge that one. Actually, I have an idea. I won't belong here because I know that they're gonna— No! This is it, this is it. I need to be careful. I already got one hit left, so... But I need to be careful. She's gonna do the root thing. There we go. You see? How did I die? No! Oh, I was aiming up. My goodness. Plants versus Cuphead. Wow, man.
Here's a real high-class belt. It's on.
Ah! So many projectiles at the same time. No, no, I refuse. I refuse. No, that doesn't. No.
This match will get red hot. Now go.
So far, so good. Oh man, that's so cheap. I love the way the flower dances, though. Oh, that's cheap. 2 of them. I want to try something before I die. What the heck? There's little spores as well? That's a new... That's a new projectile I haven't seen. Like the white cotton thing. I don't... Ah, wow.
Good day for us. Well done. And begin.
No, as if...
Good day for us. Well done. Here goes.
Okay, that's awesome. Alright, I just discovered something. Haha, nice. Okay, that no. Alright, but at least I learned something new. I just learned something new, and that is going to be a game changer for me. Alright. Oh, really, man? As if.
This match will get red hot. Now go.
Oh, wow! Stupid. Aha! Now it's better. No, that no. No! What the heck, these projectiles? Ah, man. That's okay. We're gonna do this.
Here's a real high-class belt. And begin.
Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, no. I need to get rid of those at the bottom. Okay.
A great slam and then some.
Yeah, I noticed that Spore was pink earlier, yes, but I mean, again, even if I do the parry jump, what's it gonna accomplish anyway? The heck, man? Oh god, no way.
Here's a real high-class belt. It's on.
This attack is starting to annoy me. What the heck? He keeps hitting me.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin.
I hate this attack. I'm coming on this side then. Ah, I jumped. Okay, why did I do that?
A great slam and then some. And begin.
Nope.
Good day for us. Well done. Here goes.
I'm gonna try the pink seeds, yes. Why do I keep doing that? I tried to jump.
High class belt. And begin.
That was a pink seed, but... Ah! Oh. Oh my goodness, so much stuff going on. So much stuff going on.
Here's a real high class belt. And begin.
The heck? No, as if I refuse.
A great slam and then some. And begin.
Maybe I should switch to this. No.
Here's a real high class belt. You're up.
Oh.
This match will get red hot. Now go.
The heck, man, as if.
Good day for us. Well done. It's on. A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Ah! No. Ah, damn it. I have one last idea.
Here's a real high class belt. Here goes.
the heck? I was shooting at it.
A great slam and then some. And begin. This match will get red hot. And begin.
Ah! Oh! How cheap! I pressed the wrong button, damn it! Ah, that's not what I was supposed to press.
Slam and then some. Now go.
Okay, no worries. No worries, no worries, no worries, I got this. No, I'm gonna upgrade. Ah! What now? Still nothing! Still nothing! I did that superpower thingy! How far did I get? Doesn't feel like it did anything. It doesn't look like it did anything. I did my special attack, but nothing happened.
Now go.
I did the special attack. I was saving that, but... Ah, man, that sucks. Oh! I have to watch for projectiles, I have to watch for the attacks, I have to watch for the boomerang. My goodness.
A brawl is surely brewing. It's on.
Man, this game is starting to induce rage. Oh my goodness, 3 things I had to look out for.
Real high-class belt. Now go.
Upgrade what though? There's nothing to buy. If you upgrade this, you will reduce your health. All that stuff. It's stuff that... It's stuff that will give you one thing, but take the other. I don't like that. This thing, man, this thing will shoot stuff. Oh, man.
A great slam and then some. It's on.
Oh, man. the heck is going on, man? It even stinks. It will make your weapon stronger, but it will make you weaker, for instance, or it will give you an extra heart. But it will take one life. It will make your weapon less strong. I don't like that. Not to mention that I don't even have enough coins to do it. Oh! No, as if.
A brawl is surely brewing. You're up.
My goodness!
Here's a real high-class belt. Now go!
No way!
Here's a real high-class belt. Now go!
My goodness!
A great slam and then some. You're up. Good day for a swell battle. Here goes.
Why did I jump? Oh my goodness. Oh, the thing up there! Oh my goodness. That thing up there! I have to always forget about something.
It's on.
Why? Come on. It's not working. Extreme pollination and total domination. Yeah, exactly. I know. Yeah, I know.
Good day for us. Well done. You're up.
It feels like it didn't do any damage to the plant, though. The special attack. I don't know why. I'll try again. Oh man, not like that.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes. Here's a real high-class belt. Here goes.
Yeel.
A great slam and then some.
No problem, Mr. Executor. No problem. Take your time, buddy.
This match will get red hot. Now go.
God. No, are you kidding me? God dang it. You know how long I've been at this flower one? I don't know if you've been watching, but
Here's a real
I wanna die. Are you kidding me? I forgot about that guy up there. God dang
Here's
it.
a real high-class belt. You're up.
I need to kill this guy. No! That's so... Not only am I gonna kill it, I'm gonna give its soul to the devil. That's what I'll do. If I can pull this off, come on, one last one. Come on, come on. Ah, man, if it's not one thing, it's the other. It's always the same thing. I keep forgetting about these spores. Come on, man. What just happened here? Alright, there we go. Let's try again.
Good day for a swell battle. Now go!
That was too much.
Here's a real high-class battle. Here goes!
I hate this flower. Samba! Oh man!
A great slam and then some. It's on!
Did the stream die? No, it... God dang it. No, it didn't die. I was just... No, stream didn't die. I was just doing something. Hold on. It's amazing how I keep getting phone calls while I'm streaming. Always. I don't know what this is. There we go. Let's go.
A great slam and then some. It's on!
No, lately I've been getting phone calls from phone numbers that I don't recognize. You're freaking kidding me. And it's like 5 different numbers, let's not say 5, but around 3 numbers every day. 3 new numbers. Again, a call from a number I've never seen before, and it wasn't any of the numbers that have tried calling me before. Are you kidding me?
A great slam and then some. And begin!
God dang it!
Good day for a swell battle. Now go!
Do you guys realize how many projectiles on screen? It's getting ridiculous. Oh man. Doesn't even work. Doesn't even feel like it worked. Doesn't even feel like it worked.
Good day for a swell battle. And begin!
Of course. No! Oh, wrong button! I was supposed to do the special attack.
A brawl is surely brewing. Here goes.
The flower is mocking me. It has many attacks. Eee! It's projectiles everywhere. I don't want to quit before I destroy this plant.
Here's a real high-class bout. And begin.
Am I the only one who's having such a hard time defeating this plant? It's ridiculous. Oh, another one. Another one. Oh my goodness. No! Eee! The thing up there now! Womp 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 womp.
Good day for us. Well done. Here goes.
Are you kidding me? I was shooting at it.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes.
I don't know, Slim Gamer. I have no idea, man. All I know is I want to cry and die. Look at that! It's impossible to dodge all these projectiles. I mean, this is fine. No! That thing up there!
Good day for us.
Oh my goodness, so much stuff! Am I the only one who's having such a hard time on YouTube playing this right now? And you know what you should tell me? No, all the other YouTubers are fine. They actually defeated this boss quite easily. Freaking ass, I'll die. Oh!
A great slam and then some.
No! You die up there! No! Whew. Yeah, chill, of course. Look at that! Of course. Oh my goodness!
Good day for us. Well done. It's on.
I was looking at the scenery, at the ocean, at the background. Like I don't have enough ocean to look at. I want to see what the internet thinks of this game, if it's only me that's having such a hard time. No! What am I supposed to do? No, man. This is the farthest I've ever made it. That's the farthest I've ever made it. I wanna cry. I wanna cry. You know what? It was really close. I wanna see if there's any stuff that I can buy real quick. Dude. Pork Rinds Emporium. Alright, Chaos Orbit. Long range with below average damage. No aiming required. What does it mean? No aiming required. Extra heart adds an additional point but lightly weakens your attack power. I don't want that. Roundabout, Jumbo Rebound. Great coverage with average damage. Aim backwards for maximum range. I don't understand what this is. I still cannot buy it. I don't have coins. I came back here for nothing. Maybe I should just, I don't know, go this way. Hello, sir. What's that? You two want to fly a plane like I do? Ha! You're not sitting in any cockpit till you study those blueprints. Let's see. Shoot! That's awesome. Maybe I can get some coins, I don't know. A threatening Zeppelin.
This match will get red hot. And begin!
She really? She's shooting ha-ha-has at me. Okay, great. Okay. What the heck is going on? Oh man.
This match will get red hot. Now go!
Man, I'm not doing anything here. I need to figure out what's going on.
It's surely brewing. And begin!
Okay, she shoots ha-ha-has. I cannot get hit by the ha-has apparently.
Right slam and then some. You're up!
The heck is that? Okay, wow. Wow.
A brawl is surely brewing. And begin!
Nice. My goodness. Come on, I must have done some damage. What the heck? Now you're a moon? Oh, wow, really? Really? Wow.
Here's a real high-class bout. It's on!
Ah! Oh no, I'm restarting.
Here's a real high-class bout. Here goes!
Nice. I'm gonna have to call it. I'm losing my patience and I'm tired. I need to step away from the game and come back to it because, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna go. I wanna check out the reviews of the game. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do actually. I'm gonna go for a drink and check out the reviews, and I'll come back later, play it again. Thanks for everyone that stopped by, said hello, kept me company. I'll see you next time. Ciao.